Hello Mako Madness fans, this is Dan checking in from the Mako Track and Support Storage Lot again. And good news to report today. As we can see, crews are loading up more supports on another flatbed. And that's going to be heading over to the park real soon. Now, we have some other developments that are going on at the park, and I really think you're going to like it. So, we're going to head over in just a second and take a look. From another angle, we can get a nice side profile of that new support that's on the flatbed. That's a bigger one, so it looks like that's going to be going high into the air. Looking good though. The rest of the lot though is starting to look really sparse though. A lot of the track pieces, like we said the last time, are now gone. And over there, not a lot left. Again, we haven't seen new deliveries in quite a while, but it's looking good so far, at least for the construction progress of Mako. And we're gonna head over to the park now and check out what's going on. And guess what we have today? Oh yeah, the drop's gonna be finished off. They are hoisting it into the air right now. Awesome, awesome to see finally though. Ever feel like a cowboy roping a 20,000-pound steer? Well, the final segments of the drop have been in the air for about the past half hour to an hour, and we were just waiting on one other crucial element. We needed another crane to actually show up, and well, as we can see, that one is now in place, and it looks like we're just about ready to get this thing all done. Well, it looks like the rest of the drop is not going to be the only thing being lifted into the air today. Looks like they're going to be taking off these supports from the previous updates that we've had and place them onto the construction site. Has anybody else said these guys are nuts? Well, they're nuts. You, sir, have some serious balls. Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, crews are just about done placing the rest of the first drop. And I gotta say, it looks absolutely awesome looking. I can't even imagine what back row is gonna be like on this thing. Another monumental day for the crews of Mako. Alright, so we moved down a little ways and we're getting an awesome side profile again of the drop lift. It looks amazing. Come on, how can you not like that? Well, if adding the rest of the drop wasn't enough, it looks like more supports have actually just been placed in the last couple minutes while we were walking around. And as you can see there, that is for the return back to the mid-course with the speed hill, and also continuing on right there for the rest of the course. So that's actually going to mount a couple pieces of the track. One other thing I wanted to point out is a support that is right there. That one's brand new, and that one is coming off of the brake run area, it looks like. But it's at a pretty crazy angle. But they just put that one up in the last day or so. I didn't even notice that one. Looks neat. Well, the letters in the air spell out exactly what I think about that drop. So you remember that support that we saw being loading up? Well, there it is. Well guys, that is going to do it for our Mako construction update for today. It has been a monumental one as crews have finished up the rest of the drop and have placed more supports around the rest of the ride. I gotta say, this thing looks absolutely amazing. I'm really proud of the crews and the amount of work that they've done just in this last week. I mean, they finished up the hop to the mid-course, all sorts of other stuff. If you like our updates and want to continue to see them, follow us on Facebook, our Instagram, and our YouTube page at Mako Madness, and I will see you out on the Midway.